Hey, if you want to take a closer look at this Black & Decker compact steam iron, we're going to get this one open, take a look at it, check out all its features, and see if it's worth the value. Okay, we got ourselves a little user's manual here. That's always appreciated. And right out the box, this feels like a really nice iron right here. Nice and lightweight, really nice colors, very easy to hold in the hand. Of course, I appreciate that. Easy to use thumb button right there. And we got our dial over here going from minimum all the way up to 6 and what looks like a clover leaf. Clover leaf must be really hot. Got our little trap door to insert the water right there. That's nice and effective. And a nice little non-stick little plate right here. Can't wait to put that to use. Tells us here that we can go all the way down to synthetics on temperature number 1 and all the way up to wools and cottons on that number 6 clover leaf. Okay, so let's iron some stuff and see how well it does. So I'm gonna leave it standing upright like this while I plug it in. The red light comes on to indicate that it's on. And within just a few moments, I can already feel the heat resonating off of it. I'm gonna iron a cotton shirt, so I'm setting mine to the highest setting. So it has no problem making steam. You can see I've got a somewhat wrinkly shirt here to iron, so let's see what we can do with it. And there you go. Now you can see how nice and flat and super smooth that made it. I actually did a pretty good job there. Pretty proud of myself. So all in all, it's a really solid little iron right here. You know, I don't even know that much about ironing, but I'd say it's got everything that you really need for a beginner ironer like me, and just getting the wrinkles out of clothes, that's what I need it for. You know, I might use it for some other art projects for my daughter and stuff like that. So it's exactly what I needed, and if you're looking for something simple and just a nice little easy to use iron, then this is the one for you. And if you found me halfway decent at ironing and you appreciated this video, then please hit that little thumbs up button down there. I really appreciate it.